Struggling to find where to add links in YouTube Studio? In 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how to add and publish them. It is one of those things that should be simple, but the menu is so deep it feels hidden. We will fix that right now. We will start from your channel dashboard, then go to Customization, then Profile, and finally the Links section. Let us go. All right, first thing first, you need to be in YouTube Studio. This is not your regular YouTube homepage where you watch videos. This is the command center for your channel. So make sure you are logged in, and you should see that left sidebar with all the options. If you are sitting on your regular YouTube page, just click on your profile picture in the top right corner and pick YouTube Studio from that menu. That gets us into the right place. So now that we are in the dashboard, look at that left sidebar. It is a long list of things, but we are not diving into content or analytics today. We are going for the one that says Customization. It is usually near the bottom of that list, and it has a little paintbrush icon next to it. Click on that. This is where you control the look and feel of your channel page, and this is also where those links live. Now you are on the Customization page. You will see a few tabs across the top. There is Layout, there is Branding, and there is Profile. You want the Profile tab. Sometimes it is labeled Basic Info, but on most modern setups, it just says Profile. Click on that one. This page holds all the details about your channel, like your description and your profile picture. Here is the part you have been looking for. Scroll down the page a little bit. Just keep going past your channel description section. Eventually, you will hit a section labeled Links. It might look empty right now, but there is a blue button that says Add Link. Click on that. A new box will pop up for you. You need to give this link a title. This is the text that people will actually see on your channel. So do not just paste a raw URL here. For example, if you want to send people to your Instagram, type something like "Follow me on Instagram." Or if it is your website, just call it "Website." Make it clear and inviting. Then, in the URL field right below it, paste the full web address. Make sure it starts with the full address, the one that includes the HTTPS part. Once you have that set, you can click the Done button on that pop-up. We are almost there. Now, this is the step that trips a lot of people up. You can add the link, but it will not show up on your channel until you hit the big Publish button in the top right corner of your screen. It is usually blue or red, depending on your theme. Click that. This saves all the changes you just made to your profile. And that is it. You can go check your channel page now. Just open it in a new tab, and you should see that link sitting right under your channel description. It is that simple. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one.